Actually, we are doing that in a regular basis. Yung mga stations, ginagawa yan. May mga daily inspection of mga night establishments. Meron kaming nakandak na joint na inspection of night establishment along Marcos Highway, Magsaysay, Bukaukan, sa may Carino Street. Nakasali din sa inspection si mga massage parlors, actually mga bar and restaurant, mga drinking establishment, a total of more than 30 na establishment yung na-inspect ng joint inspection team na yon. But then, aside from that, meron naman nga nasabi ko na regular na kinakandak ng mga stations na inspection. Actually, meron din silang 133 na in-inspect. Of course, that is purposely to implement yung mga ordinances, just like yung prohibition of minors entering yung mga ganyan, mga drinking establishment. We also implement yung mga violation. Titignan namin, we will be inspecting if they are violating yung mga operating hours ng mga establishment na yan. And of course, yung mga smoking ordinances. The joint inspecting team is composed of course, Baguio City Police Office, the Baguio Health Office, and the CSWDO. Based on the inspection report, wala naman silang nakitang violations. Yes, of course, if we're there to inspect, syempre ma-remind yung mga ating mga drinking establishments na syempre they will be reminded na bago papasukin yung mga customers nila, syempre yung inspection, tignan nila yung mga bags, baka may mga patalin o may mga baril or any contraband inside. Then, of course, they will also be reminded sa operation hours na hindi dapat sila nag-extend kung time of closure, edi mag-close sila. And, syempre, we will be reminding them na syempre mga customers nila, is especially kung lasing na or pan, is pauwi na lang na, pasakayin nila ng taxi or what, para hindi sila, yun nga, magiging, minsan kasi when they are drunk na yung mga customers, is nagkakaroon sila ng mga hindi pagkakunamaan o nagkakakursundahan outside the establishment or inside. Is syempre with that inspection, magiging warning para sa kanila, a reminder. So actually, minors are not allowed inside the drinking establishments. That's why that's one of the purposes na pumupunta kami doon. Titignan namin kung may mga minors. So reminder for the minors, bawal na ang umiinom kasi minor pa nga sila. Pero yung mga kabataan, in case na iwasan yung alak, and then in case na sila ay lasing, and they might as well go home na lang. Huwag mag-create ng gulo. At tupagin na lang ang pag-aaral nila.